This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spice racks, specifically this bamboo spice rack. It's a 3-tier spice rack made of natural bamboo, and one of its perfect, wonderful, awesome features is that it's expandable. So when collapsed, it measures 12.5 inches by 9 3/4 by 4 1/4 inches tall, and it expands all the way to a wonderful 23 1/4 inches long. So this is a great one to use if you're looking to organize your spice cabinet, put a spice rack maybe up on your counter and you have an unusual size space, or just putting it in your pantry on a shelf. The bamboo it's made of is sustainable, making an awesome eco-friendly option as well. But since bamboo is so durable, it's also chip resistant, making it a perfect piece for use in the kitchen, where it might get a little wear and tear. The expandable nature means that it's going to be a great fit for just about any space. And I'm excited to put this one in use in our pantry because we have some unusual size shelves. So it's really nice that you can expand it to just any size you need. So it's great for organizing pantry spaces and shelves, for sticking in a cabinet, and it can even hold the weight of things like cans and jars. So it's not just for use as a spice rack. It's got a wonderful smooth surface that's easily wiped down or washed or dusted when needed. So it's perfect for use in any kitchen, whether that's a home one or a professional one.